Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for social media posts. First, open Figma and create a new design file. You'll want to set up your canvas with the correct dimensions for each platform, like 1080 by 1080 pixels for Instagram. Organizing your work into different pages or frames helps keep your designs tidy and easy to navigate, especially when managing multiple posts or campaigns. Now, let's dive into designing your post. Figma offers powerful tools to combine text, shapes, and images, allowing for creative layouts. Remember to maintain brand consistency by using your established color palettes and typography, which you can save as styles. Explore the Figma community for plugins that can automate tasks, like generating placeholder content or optimizing images, saving you valuable time. Figma truly shines in its collaborative features. You can effortlessly share your design files with colleagues or clients, allowing everyone to view and comment in real time. Encourage specific feedback by asking questions directly on the canvas. This streamlined process helps you quickly iterate on your designs, ensuring the final social media post meets all objectives and resonates with your audience effectively. Finally, it's time to export and publish your masterpiece. Select the appropriate export format, typically PNG or JPG, depending on the platform's requirements. Ensure your images are optimized for web, balancing quality with a small file size for fast loading. Once exported, your social media post is ready to be uploaded and shared across your chosen platforms, reaching your audience with a polished, professional look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.